Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Windows Defender for ransomware protection, beginner guide step by step clearly. To configure Windows Defender for ransomware protection, start by opening your Windows settings. Click on the Start menu and select the gear icon to access settings. In the settings window, locate and click on Update and Security. From the left sidebar, select Windows Security. Now, click on the Next, find and select Manage Settings under the Virus and Threat Protection settings. Scroll down to locate the Ransomware Protection section. Under Ransomware Protection, click on the Manage Ransomware Protection link. Here, you will see the option for Controlled Folder Access. Toggle the switch to turn on Controlled Folder Access. Once enabled, you can click on Protected Folders to add folders you want to protect. Simply click on Add a Protected Folder and browse to select the folder. Next, proceed to the Allow an App through Controlled Folder Access option. Select this to add apps that should be allowed to access the protected folders. Click on Add an Allowed App, then choose an app from the list or browse to find it. After you have configured your protected folders and allowed apps, close the settings window. Now, you can regularly check the Windows Security dashboard to ensure everything is functioning correctly. For additional security, consider enabling the Cloud-Delivered Protection feature from the Virus and Threat Protection settings. This will provide enhanced protection against emerging ransomware threats. Your Windows Defender is now configured for optimal ransomware protection. Make sure to keep your Windows and security features up to date for the best defense. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.